We got our lineup, we got marshals, drivers. Please start on the tone, here we go. Whoa, turn around in the middle. Not all clear. Whoa, trouble through the middle of the pack. Nice. 6, 11, 7, 12, 11, 4, 12, 11, 12, 1, 11, 5. Woo! Z and Craig right together. Zach not too far behind. That's Don. BJ, Todd, Kenny. Oh, Don catches it in the middle through the S's. He gets marshaled. It's sent to the back. Top two breaking a little bit. Zach trying to hang on, but then there's a big gap back to 4, 5, 6, 7. All right together at the roundabout. Oh! 1 down, 5 to go. 11:45 for Zach, his fastest. Did not see what happened. Craig has gotten in front of Z. 1, 2, 3 now, right together. Just a tick over a second. Zach all over Z right now for the 2 spot. They're trying to break away. 1.5 down, 4.5 to go. Trying to find the inside there. Oh, catches it at the middle. Do the S's. Be careful in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. Gets sent back to 6. He is, yes. Craig now with a straightaway on Z. Z with more than a straightaway on Todd now to the 3 spot. Followed by BJ, Don, Zach, and Kenny. 2 down, 4 to go. Don and Zach following BJ there. The fast lap wise of 11.4s. Fastest couple hundred separating them. All right together. 4, 5, 6 through the chicane. Oh, bumper. Careful out of the chicane, out of the chicane, out of the chicane. Careful out of the chicane. Careful out of the chicane. All clear, all clear. 3:30 left to go. 4 seconds for Craig now over Z and Todd all over. Oh, send Z to the wall. Careful through the middle S's. BJ up to the 2 spot. Ahead of Todd, Z, then Kenny, Zach, and Don. Whoa, careful through the chicane. Just past halfway, 2:50 to go now. Right fluorescent orange in the lean, coming at the roundabout. And we got BJ and Todd right together for the 2 spot coming through the chicane. Kenny now 4th, Z, Don, and Zach. Check this saddle for the 2 spot here on the straightaway. BJ 11.84, last time through, personal best. Todd looks on the inside. Oh, careful, middle through the S's. Careful, careful. Middle, watch the middle. Careful through the middle. Got a marshal up there. 2 left to go. 2 left to go. Kenny now to the 2 spot. In the tail end of the lead lap. Don and Zach 3 and 4. There's a minute 45 left to go. Let's see if they can reel Kenny in and get the leader in between them. But straight away between 2nd and 3rd. Zach there in tow.
Some things never change, never.
3:30 on the clock.
Hey, I got a 29. Your car looks a lot better. Yeah,
Push that spot away from Don.
Yeah, I know. I see it, but you Mark was saying that, then I got to get this.
A little left and straight away behind him with a minute 10 left on the clock.
You just blip it, and yeah. I got it for 12 weeks.
Well, it'll get better with you learning.
Trying to pull on that lead lap, turn all over him, well, the little tap, Craig's gonna get through now, nothing between them, 55 seconds, 2, 3, 4, right behind the leaders onto the straightaway.
Set up just like this one. That's why I was like, yeah, it just
45 seconds.
And especially on the first one,
Through the loop here. 12-0, 11-9, 11-8, 2, 3, 4.
if you ever want to run a winter series race,
Using that DRS off the leader to hold on, 30 seconds left. 2, 3, 4, right together.
probably starting to,
Yeah, no, I was hoping you would find
They're going to hit the line with 15 seconds with 2 laps to go. 2 laps.
because I was going to catch it here.
There it is. They all make it through. To the line. 2, 3, 4 through the middle of the track. Looking for the switchback. Jack taps out Don, not enough time to finish 3/10 of the King. And Moline, McKinney, Drew, Brown, Dearborn, Z, and DJ. The final order. Trans Am cars up next, guys. Trans Am.